Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're opening one of the Halloween Make It Mini Miniverse. We already got the pumpkin pie, so we're hoping for a different one. So I think this is the pumpkin spice one. The table is different.
Yeah, probably.
There's only 3 in this collection, but they each have a different table. This one has ghosts that say boo, and the base is white. That's so cute.
Okay, let me get the orange
Yep, you can open those. Also comes with a little ghost.
Oh, it's the silverware.
Yep, definitely is.
Pumpkin spice. Alright, set it on the table. There's only 3. We did this one first, got that one second, and we have like 3 more. So I really hope we find that one. So we have the whole collection.
Oh, whipped cream in a container.
Alright.
Unlike
And
this
Then we got
pumpkin spice.
Then we got a bag.
And it has a little pumpkin on it. How cute. What's this? Spooky.
Huh.
What is that?
one. Oh, I think they have like...
Spook. Oh, it's the sleeve that goes over it.
Yeah, that's what it is.
It's a spooky sleeve. So.
It's like a bat, I think.
Yeah, that's cute. Oh, it's rubbery. How adorable. All right, let's check out the instructions. So, on the back, we're gonna put the sleeve on. We're gonna fill it up to the line there where the cup is. Put the lid on, the straw, cure it, and then you could remove the lid and put the whipped cream on it. I saw from someone else that the whipped cream has a hole through it, so you can put, yeah, the straw.
It also has like pumpkin spice thingies on it, like dots.
Yep, like little nutmeg or
I saw it on
cinnamon or something. That's really
wrapper.
cute. Okay, so let's put the sleeve on.
And I'll open the straw for later.
Pretty easy. Yeah, you can open the straw.
Set it on the
And then
table.
we're gonna open this.
Okay, Rick didn't open it. Okay, I'm gonna get it first.
That'd be cool if they made it scented. The whipped cream.
Ooh.
Ooh, it's thick. It looks like caramel.
Oh, that looks like puke.
I should
And
have
pee.
put it upside down for a little bit
It
so
kind of
that.
looks like the last one.
Looks like pee.
Yeah, it does look like the last one. There's like little specks in it that kind of make it look like pumpkin pie. Or at least pumpkin with, you know, nutmeg and stuff in it.
I'm gonna.
Alright, there are some bubbles on top.
Let's just pop those.
Yeah, I'm gonna pop them. I'm gonna
It
put
looks like
this
a bubble
in.
slip. Boop.
And then
If this.
you don't want to put the whipped cream on top because it will start sinking. So I'm gonna cure this and I'm gonna add a little bit of resin, I think, to the whipped cream so it sticks on top. That way it can't be removed. Okay, I had this outside for a few minutes. I thought I had the straw like dead center,
The straw.
but I didn't. It's off a little bit.
Dead center?
Uh-huh.
What do you mean
It
by
means
dead?
right in the middle. That's just what they say.
That's evil of you.
It's not evil, it's just what people say. Dead
Remember
center.
that time when we saw that dude with the evil mustache from that one show?
Where were we? Oh, it was our waiter. That's right.
Yeah.
He just distracted me. Now I got pumpkin spice on the straw. I gotta wipe it off.
No, it's
It doesn't feel like there's much in here.
But that is in reality.
I had it
too,
upside
'cause
down
you
for a
get stuff
while.
on your straw. If
Well,
you were drinking out of
That's
it.
true. Let me wipe that off.
Soda or anything.
And then we'll slide the whipped cream
Try to hold it backwards.
through here. Boop.
So,
And then we'll let it cure.
give cure.
Here's what it looks like when it's been cured. Very cute. We only need to find the caramel apples now. So stay tuned to our channel if you want to see us make those.